Hi, my name's Rebecca McLeod and I'm the chairperson of the Fiordland Marine Guardians. We're a governance board that looks after the Fiordland Marine area, and our goal is to bring together the many management agencies that have responsibilities in the Fiordland Marine area and get the best out of them. So we're trying to promote integrated and collaborative management to look after the values of Fiordland for the future. I've really enjoyed leading this group. We're a pretty diverse bunch, which is really important, and we don't always agree with each other, which I think is also incredibly important. So we have really robust discussions around the table. I've been a guardian now for arguably a little bit too long, and I've been thinking about what it is that keeps me coming back to this role. And it really is a sense of achievement and the fact that I feel like in this position we can really make an impact, we can affect change, and that's not always so easy to do. So we're pretty lucky in that regard.